Today we're going to be putting up 3D fencing, but before we get started, please subscribe, like, comment, share with friends and people you know, and smash that notification bell. Okay, let's get started.
Hi guys, this is Russ here from Wilson Land and Cattle. We got Emmy Lou, or just Emmy she prefers, and we have Walker. They're going to help me put this fence up. Have you ever had problems with white-tailed deer in your garden, orchard, crop fields, food plots, you name it? White-tailed deer like to eat it. So what we're doing today is we're gonna fence out our cornfield. We have a cover crop field on the other side and you'll get to see it, and we have our sweet corn. And one of the problems that we have with the white-tailed deer is whenever this corn's not very far out from coming into tassel, and when it comes into tassel, it gets ears on it and it gets silk on the ears, and the deer come through and they bite that silk off, and then the ear doesn't form properly. And then another problem that we have is whenever it comes into roasting ear stage, or whenever it starts its soft dough stage, the deer will also come in and they'll take a bite out of the ear, and it causes a lot of damage. So what we're doing is we're building a 3D fence. We already got one post started here. And the idea between the 3D fence is, and we already have one on the outside here, but we have deer coming in from over on this side of the farm where we're not able to put 3D fencing. So we're gonna add an extra layer of protection here. And the idea behind a 3D fence is the fence is 3 feet out from the existing fence, and you can build this with all temporary fencing. I know a lot of folks that do it. I have two friends that use it on their garden, and I have another friend that uses it in his food plots. But it's out 3 feet, and then it's up. The distance up can vary from 20 inches to 32 inches. And we're going to put this up about 30 inches, I guess. What's the matter, Scout? Huh? What's the matter? We're going to put this fence up about 30 inches, and then we're going to come back through. We got a buggy load of fencing materials here. It's all the stuff that we don't really use on the farm much for our temporary fencing. And we lost our peanut butter, Em. No, we didn't. Okay. And then when we're done, Emmy Lou likes to get her hands dirty. So one of the tricks behind this is to get yourself some good old Jif creamy peanut butter and a glove. You dip that glove down in there, and then you go through and you rub it onto the fence. And that's going to be Emmy Lou's job here when we get pretty well done. But let's get started here and get this fence in. It won't take us long. Temporary fencing doesn't take long. We just got to determine how far apart we can put our posts. We don't have very many posts to use. We have around, I think we got around 200 posts here, and we're fencing out pretty close to 8 acres. So it's going to take quite a few posts. We've come over, across, down. It's only taken us 10 minutes. It doesn't take long. The secret behind good fencing is good strong corners. We're using T-posts, and we have some steel rods that we're gonna have to use because we're gonna run out of T-post up at the other end, but that's okay. We'll make it work. Right, Em?
Yep.
Okay. So Walker, he's figuring out how far apart we can put our wire here, because being that we have a shortage of posts, we're stretching them out pretty good. We must be 60 to 70 feet, somewhere around there. And this here's our cover crop field. It's got a lot of good stuff in there. It's getting pretty tall. Here you can see the deer have already started work on our sunflowers. Here's a sunflower here. We have forage sorghum. This is forage sorghum. This here's a brown middle rib sorghum sedan grass.
No, it's getting tall because it's almost as tall as I am.
You're just a shorty.
It's about 26 of my steps of walking.
Okay, we'll go up there 26.
Okay.
Okay. Alrighty, let's keep moving, guys. We only have until 4 o'clock. Only have about an hour and a half to set this fence. We should be able to get it done pretty easily. We're gonna roll right along here now. Emmy may have to come back tomorrow and put her peanut butter on. I don't know for sure.
Yeah.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, guys, we're getting this done pretty quickly. We've been at it for just a little bit over an hour. We have it almost done. See here, got a little bit of funky stuff going on here, but that's all right. Here's what I wanted to show you, what the deer do. Here's my sweet corn. Sweet corn looks really good this year. Probably some of the best sweet corn we've had in a long time. And yeah, it's weedy, but who cares? It's doing really well. See this little silk here? What happens is the deer come in and they bite that silk off, and then those little ears of corn cannot germinate, or can't, those little ears of corn cannot form, because every one of those silks go back to a kernel of corn. This is the male part of the corn, and then this here's the female part. And every little silk coming out of that ear goes back to a kernel of corn. And we need the male pollen to land on the tip of this, and then it goes back into the female. So that's kind of how it works. And like I said, the deer like to come through and nip that. And then when we get to soft doe stage, then they'll take a bite out of the side of the ear of corn. So that's what we're trying to prevent. Pile of sweet corn. It goes clear back. Well, you see that building back there, it goes clear back to that building. And then this here's the end of our cover crop mix. We're getting her done, huh, bud?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get her finished up here so we can at least make it hot. Em can put the peanut butter on it tomorrow, huh?
Yep.
Yeah, and I can make it to Kung Fu.
Yep.
We can make it Kung Fu.
And we got 30 minutes, guys. Let's bust the butt and get her done. Hey guys, we got her finished up. Just gotta run back through and put jumpers on there. Being at this poly wire, we need to make it hot in several places, because what will happen is it won't go clear out to the other end. I'm gonna stick a post in right here. We'll make it hot in several places. This temporary fencing, what happens is it's kind of like a garden hose. You like to think of it as a garden hose. At some point, you know, if you get 2,500, 3,000 feet of garden hose, you know, there may only 10 or 15 pounds of pressure. There may not be any water come out the other end. So we want this baby good and hot. Emmy's gonna come back over tomorrow, put peanut butter on it. Just don't quite have enough time to do that today. On the fence. If you haven't seen my other 3D fencing video, I'm gonna put that video in this. Put the deer getting hit on the 3D fence into this video. guys, we got our peanut butter. Emmy's got a glove, and what she's gonna do is she's gonna put some peanut butter on her hand. She's gonna reach out and grab that fence and run down along. Keep it about a foot away from the post or 2 feet. Okay? What I want you to do is take your peanut butter and go across the end. I'm going to go back around and I'll meet you over at that corner, okay?
Yep.
You going with them? Take him with you.
Let's go!
Call him.
Let's go! Come on, buddy!
Okay, stick your glove in the container and okay, the deer fence is done, huh?
Yep.
One thing that I didn't mention, the way the 3D fencing works is deer see two-dimensional and they cannot tell how far apart this fence is. All prey animals see two-dimensional. They can't see three-dimensional, so they have no depth perception. And what happens is they fuss around here and they try to jump this and they get shocked and then they leave. So that's the idea behind the 3D fencing. Hey guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. We've been using 3D fencing for a while now and it really takes a lot of the deer pressure away. So give it a shot. It's not that expensive to do. It doesn't take that much time. So we'll talk to you later.
Please like, comment, share with friends and other people you know, and smash that notification bell. Bye, guys!
See you later.